last time was when we filmed the valet video on it. So I'm going to apply an iron fallout remover, and then I'm going to use the Bilberry wheel cleaner in the foam bottle as you've seen me use before. I'm going to spray that over the fallout remover, so it's going to be decontaminating the wheel and cleaning it. And then after that I'll rinse it and then go over it again with just the foam and actually do a contact wash to the wheel. The fallout remover and foam is dwelling on the wheel and softening up all the dirt. I'm going to use this time to take care of the arches using some Built Hamber Surfex, and I'm also going to give the tyre a scrub. And by the time I've done that, the initial pre-wash will be ready to rinse off and I can get to cleaning the actual wheel. 10 months later, coating is still going strong. Look at the water beading. That's a really good sign that all the coating is still on there and is doing its job. And there's also no brake dust on the wheel that I can see, which means it all came off with the fallout remover. Now it's time to move on to the bodywork. I'm going to take the car for a pre-wash. So same process on the wheels. I'm going to be using a fallout remover and a fast forward. In this case, the Angel Mods fast forward. I'm going to leave that to 5 minutes, and then we'll move on to the bucket. The car is turning so purple, so you can tell how overdue a chemical decon was.